So this morning I made boiled dumpling and Jamaican frankfurters. You know how we cook it. I mean, it's so beautiful. Look at that texture. It's so glazed. It's so beautiful. With some boiled dumplings. I mean, this is gonna be so delicious. I cut up some peppers, some onions. You know, it's so you can see the franks. It's so rich. I mean, I wanted to do the whole video, but it'd be hard just doing it from my phone. But I'm showing you the after. Look at it. See the boiled dumplings? You see the franks? It's just so beautiful. This is a nice Sunday morning breakfast. So delicious. So delicious.